Find the average value of f of the function f on the given interval. So we got a function here, a fraction, over the interval -3 to 3. So the average value, which is denoted by f for the function f, is, this is the interval, so we can call a to b, so 1 over b minus a, definite integral from a to b of the function. That's the formula. For our case, 1 over 3 minus -3, 6, -3 through 3. The function is x squared over x cubed plus 36 quantity square dx. Now we need to evaluate this integral, which is a fraction, and there is no fraction rule. That means we need to do u substitution, because there is something more complicated on the bottom, which is square, means this inside function is u. So we let u be x cubed plus 36 so that we can simplify this problem. Okay, now the next two steps are automatic, means we find the derivative, then isolate dx, so du over 3x squared dx. At the same time, we know that these limits -3 and 3 are for x, right? This is x equals. When we do this u substitution, our goal is to convert everything in terms of new variable. So we can convert these limits as well. In that case, we don't have to back substitute u later. So let's do that. When x equals -3, u will be, so we use this assumption to figure out the corresponding u. When x equals -3, so -3 cubed plus 36. -3 cubed plus 36. You can use your calculator. That is a -27 plus 36 is 9. And when x is upper limit 3, u will be 3 cubed, which is 27 plus 36. Okay, that's 63. So these limits are, in terms of u, 9 to 63. So let me go over here. Now the integral becomes, we are finding function, average value of this function. So 1 over 6 integral -3 to 3 for x, but for our u is 9 through 63. We don't know about the top x squared. On the bottom though, this is our u inside function. And that's how we started simplifying this integrand. That's a u squared. And this dx is found here, du over 3x squared. Okay, there should not be any x's left. That's the case. X squared cancel. And this 3 can be pulled to the front. So 1 over 6 times 3 on the bottom. So that is 1 over 6 times 3, 18. And then we are left with 9 through 63, 1 over u squared du. Now this is still a fraction, but we can move this up. That becomes u to the -2. Then we can integrate using the power rule. So that will be 1 over 18. If we do 1 over x squared dx, move this up, it becomes -1 over x. Okay, you can do a couple of steps if you like. So this one is -1 over u, and we have limits from 9 through 63. Because this is a definite integral, we don't write plus c. And these limits are already converted in terms of u. So we don't have to back substitute. We simply plug in now. So 1 over 18 times inside upper limit negative 1 over 63 minus lower limit. Okay, another negative again, because 63 goes for u, minus from the fundamental theorem of calculus, and then now plug in 9 here, negative 1 over 9, that becomes plus 1 over 9. Combine and multiply with 1 over 18. So 1 over 18, if you combine in your calculator, 9 goes 7 times, right? So 7 over 7, you can do in your own way, 63. So 7 minus 1, 6 over 63. And then 6 goes 18 3 times. So 1 over 189 is the final answer, the average value of this function.